All right, let's ditch the preamble and cut straight to the chase. Your eyes? They're not for gazing at sunsets. They're for seizing control. You think you're simply observing? You're wrong. You're subtly manipulating, weaving a hypnotic spell with every glance. Forget the romantic drivel about soul windows. That's for the weak. We're dealing with the raw, unadulterated power of perception, the art of bending another's will to your own, and your voice is the conductor. Forget the eyes as the soul portal. They're a distraction. The voice is the true weapon. Forget sentimentality. Forget playing fair. We're talking about dominion. We're talking about getting what you want when you want it. And your voice, it's the key. Those eyes, those supposed gateways to the soul, they're just one tool in a seducer's arsenal. Sure, they reveal a sliver, a fleeting glimpse, but they're easily concealed, easily misinterpreted. We're not playing with half measures here. We're talking about total control, and that means mastering every avenue of influence. Forget Longfellow's romantic notions about eyes and foreheads. We're dealing with the raw power of the human voice, the instrument that truly resonates with the soul's deepest desires. The voice, not the eyes, is the conductor of emotional manipulation. Forget subtlety. Forget hesitation. This is about commanding attention, dominating the narrative. The power of resonance. The voice as a weapon of emotional penetration, the sonic signature of dominance. Imagine this. You're in a crowded room, a cacophony of voices vying for attention. But yours cuts through the noise, a rich, deep resonance that commands attention. You're not just speaking, you're projecting power, authority, and unwavering confidence. This isn't about volume, it's about depth, the ability to make your words echo in the listener's mind long after you've spoken. This is your sonic signature, your declaration of dominance. Example: a young entrepreneur pitching their revolutionary idea to a room full of skeptical investors speaks with a deep, resonant voice. Even when describing complex technical details, their voice conveys unwavering confidence and conviction. The investors, initially dismissive, find themselves captivated, their skepticism melting away. The richness of the voice has instilled confidence and trust. Example: a political leader, addressing a restless crowd during a period of civil unrest, speaks with a deep, calming resonance. Their voice, even when delivering harsh truths, provides a sense of stability and reassurance. The crowd, initially agitated, begins to calm, their emotions soothed by the power of the voice. The art of cadence, the rhythm of control, the symphony of seduction, the masterful manipulation of pace. Imagine this. You're telling a story, a carefully crafted narrative designed to elicit a specific emotional response. You control the rhythm, the pacing, the ebb and flow of your words. You pause for dramatic effect, allowing your words to hang in the air, to resonate with the listener's deepest desires. You're not just telling a story, you're conducting a symphony of seduction, manipulating their emotions with the cadence of your speech. Example: during a romantic dinner, you recount a shared memory, your voice slowing to emphasize moments of intimacy, quickening to convey excitement. You pause before revealing a key detail, building suspense, then deliver the punchline with a soft, intimate whisper. Your partner, captivated by the rhythm of your voice, feels a surge of emotional connection. Example: a lawyer, delivering a closing argument in a high-profile trial, uses carefully timed pauses and variations in cadence to emphasize key points, build suspense, and create a sense of urgency. The jury, captivated by the rhythm of the speech, finds themselves swayed by the lawyer's arguments. The weaponized silence, the power of the unspoken word, the void that amplifies influence. Imagine this. You've delivered a powerful statement, a carefully crafted phrase designed to plant a seed in the listener's mind. You pause, allowing the silence to amplify your words, to allow them to resonate with the listener's deepest desires. The silence is not awkward. It's deliberate, a weaponized tool for emotional manipulation, a void that amplifies your influence. Example: after making a compelling argument during a negotiation, you pause, allowing the silence to hang in the air. The other party, feeling the weight of your words, breaks the silence by conceding to your point. The silence has created a space for reflection, allowing your argument to sink in. Example: during a tense confrontation, you deliver a sharp, concise statement, then fall silent. The other person, unnerved by the sudden silence, begins to fidget, their anxiety growing. The silence has become a weapon, used to intimidate and control. The voice as a tool of emotional regulation. Speaking of emotions, not emotionally, the art of detached control. Imagine this. You're telling a story, a personal anecdote designed to elicit sympathy and trust. You speak calmly, rationally, your voice devoid of emotional volatility. You're not reliving the emotions. You're describing them, controlling them, using them to manipulate the listener's perception. This is the art of detached control. Example: while sharing a story of hardship, you speak with a calm, steady voice, even when describing moments of intense pain. This conveys strength and resilience, making the listener feel safe and secure. They feel you are in control of your emotions. Example: during a heated debate, you maintain a calm, measured tone, even when your opponent resorts to emotional outbursts. This conveys a sense of intellectual superiority, undermining your opponent's credibility. Forget the eyes. Master the voice, control the resonance, manipulate the cadence, weaponize the silence. This is the true art of seduction, the power to command attention, to dominate the narrative, to bend others to your will. Don't be a puppet. Be the puppeteer. Your voice is your weapon. Your voice is your power. Your voice is your control.